Good morning everyone. This is Avdesh Tiwari and I am going to teach you GK. That is the first class of GK and our first topic is Indian languages. Today we will discuss about the Indian languages. Firstly we will discuss about the language. What is the language? Language is the medium of communication which can be speech and write as well. I repeat again the definition of language. Language is the medium of communication which can be speech and write as well. India is the country of very large number of languages. In fact, so many languages are spoken in India. India has 22 major languages in which Hindi and English are the two official languages of India. In our chapter we have some blanks and the downside we have some languages. So we will fill the correct language in the blanks. Okay, so our first blanks is which is the one of the most spoken Indian language in the world. So the correct answer of this question is Hindi. Hindi is one of the most spoken Indian language in the world. I think everyone know about this question. The second one is which is the official language of Union Territory of Lakshadweep. The official language of Lakshadweep is Malayalam. So the correct answer of second blank is Malayalam. And the third one is which is the state language of Uttarakhand. That is an important question. Which is the state language of Uttarakhand? The correct answer of this question is Sanskrit. Sanskrit is the language which is the state language of Uttarakhand. Fourth one is Hindi is written in the Devanagari script. The correct answer of fourth question is Hindi is written in the Devanagari script. Fifth one is which is also an official language in Singapore and Sri Lanka. So the correct answer of this question is Tamil. Tamil is the official language of Singapore and Sri Lanka as well. And the sixth question is Gitanjali. Everyone know about the Gitanjali? It is a famous novel written by the Rabindranath Tagore. He had got Nobel Prize as well for the Gitanjali. So the sixth question is Gitanjali, for which Rabindranath Tagore won the Nobel Prize, was written in Bengali language. So the correct answer of this question is Bengali. Seventh question is which languages are known as the Maharashtri Prakrit? So the correct answer of this question is Marathi and Konkani. Marathi and Konkani language have known as the Maharashtri Prakrit. Our next question is which is the official language of state of Punjab? Everyone know about this question. Everyone easily can give the answer of this question. Punjabi is the official language of the Punjab state. And our next question is in 2008 the government of India awarded Kannada. In 2008 the government of India awarded Kannada the distinction of classical language status. So the correct answer of this question is Kannada. And our next question is which is the official language of state of Assam? Everyone know that. Everyone can easily give the answer of this question. That is Assamese. Assamese language is the official language of Assam state. And our next question is which is known as the Italian of the East? There are two questions. Listen carefully. Which language is known as the Italian of the East? That is Telugu. And which language have every single word in this language and with the vowels? That is also Telugu. So Telugu is known as the Italian of the East as every single word in this language and with a vowel sound. The correct answer of this question is Telugu. Our next question is which is the state language of Jammu and Kashmir? The correct answer of this question is Urdu. Urdu is the official language of Jammu and Kashmir. So that is the description of Indian languages. Complete this chapter in your content book. After that, send to me. Thank you.